recently got this fantastic self-care package from Maybelline, and I couldn't wait to dive into it. The products smell like a big hug for myself. First up, the truffle olive oil shampoo not only clarifies my scalp and deeply conditions my hair but also strengthens it and fights frizz, which is exactly what I need. Then, there's the green clay mask from French Volcanos. It's like a spa day at home. It gently draws out all the gunk from my skin, leaving it feeling fresh and clean. Plus, the macadamia nut oil for my face is like a drink of water for my skin. It's also hydrating and has these amazing anti-aging properties that make me feel like I'm pampering myself with a little luxury every time I use it. Don't miss out their Ramadan offer. This is Miss Halabi. Thank you for watching.